everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. If this is your first time, thank you for joining me, and subscribe. I have a lot of stuff going on. Hopefully you'll find something that's useful for your kitchen and your Weight Watchers journey. Today I'm going to be making potato salad, Weight Watchers friendly potato salad. I know that sounds like it's not even possible, but it is. Okay, for this potato salad, you're going to need 3 pounds of red potatoes, chopped and cooked until tender but not mushy. I have 2 big pickles here that have been chopped. I'll probably only use about 1.5 of them. I have a bunch of green onions here. I eyeball those because, you know, they're 0 points, so we're good to go. I have hard-boiled eggs, and I've chopped 6 of them. We're going to need Kroger Light Mayo. We're going to need some non-fat plain Greek yogurt. We're going to need some pickle juice. We're going to need some spicy brown mustard, and that's about it. This potato salad goes together so easily. Now, just an FYI, I cut these before I cook them because it takes a little bit less time to cook them, and I cook them until they're soft, but they're not squishy, okay? Because I don't like pasty, nasty potato salad. Okay, 3 pounds here. I'm going to take about probably 1.5 of those pickles. Okay, and then let's start with about 3/4 of a cup of green onions. I don't like that, it needs more. So I'm adding about another 1/3 of a cup. 6 eggs, chopped. Then, to make the sauce, put this aside for a second, I have 2/3 of a cup of light mayonnaise and about 1 1/3 cups of plain Greek nut yogurt. Okay, to that, I'm going to add salt and pepper. I just eyeball the salt. Everybody likes salt levels differently, so I eyeball it. It's probably about 1/4 teaspoon or so of salt. And then I'm fairly generous with the pepper. Probably maybe about 1 teaspoon of pepper. Okay? Then I have 2.5 or 3 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. And then excuse me. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dill pickle juice. Okay? I'll just blend all that together. Now you'll have to taste test this. Now keep in mind it's going to have a little different flavor because I didn't use straight mayonnaise. More mustard is needed in this. Probably 2.5 more tablespoons. Oh yeah, that's looking much better. Now, if you don't like spicy brown mustard, you can use any other kind of mustard that you like. We just like a little spice. Yep, that's better. Okay, now we're just going to mix it all in there, fold it in. It's important that you let your potatoes cool. Otherwise, they get sort of a funky texture to them when you mix them with the mayonnaise and the other sauce. I don't like that funky texture, so I always cool mine for a good period of time before I make my potato salad. Let me taste test this with a little piece of potato. Absolutely perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.